We heard the call. We saw a smoke rise. And we dreamed, not just to witness, but to carry some of your sorrow and offer what love we could. This is our message for you, for you. We came when the sky was heavy with pain, to help you stand beneath the rain. We brought what we had, hearts open wide, to honor your grief and stand by your side. We left our homes, we crossed the miles to carry your sorrow, if just for a while. We folded napkins, we swept the floors, stood in silence, held open doors. We brought our hands, our time, our care, because love is strongest when it's shared. No need for thanks, no praise, no fame. We came because family calls your name. So watch out now, luag txhob, ploj, tuag, txhob, tu moya chi chenya, pane txhob, yo cho moi puas no more. We brought what we could, an envelope, a hand, to help you uphold the ways of this land. We stood in prayer through the night, wore white clothes in honor, out of respect and a right. We gave with joy, not out of debt, but for the love that we won't forget. Your loss was great, your tears were real, but we came to help your spirit heal. We hope our giving lightens your load and blesses your home down every road. May peace come back to your door and grief visit your heart no more. So watch out now, luag We may not have said much that day, but in silence we gave what we could say. With hands full of rice, with quiet tears, we stood with you across those years. From friends who helped and kin who stayed, just strangers moved by the life that was laid. We brought you food, we brought you grace, we brought our hearts into your space. This song is for you, to say we care, just so that your pain we all bear. We gave with love, no need to repay. That's what family does in the old way. So watch out now, luag txhob, ploj, tuag, tu moya chi chenya, pane txhob, yo cho moi puas no more. We came because we love you. We stood because it's what family does. And all the candles go out, our care stays lit. May your sorrow fade, may your straight grow, but may the spirits honor what we gave. This was for you.